Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Cash on iPhone. Before starting, make sure you are signed up using an Apple ID. You are 18 or older. You are the United States resident. You have two-factor authentication turned on. Unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Look for the Apple Cash. If you see it, tap it. If you don't see Apple Cash, tap on the plus button and choose Apple Cash. To set up Apple Cash, read the information, then tap continue. Agree the terms and conditions. Apple Cash will now add to your wallet. Some users may be asked to verify their identification. If this happens, enter your full name, provide your date of birth, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is for security and only takes a minute. Once set up, you can receive money through iMessage, add money from your debit card, use Apple Cash anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Your Apple Cash balance appear directly in your wallet app, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.